All right, so today I'm going to be kind of giving you guys a rundown on the full 335i project. This is a full Docrace single turbo kit. So I'll kind of just be giving you guys the full mod list and rundown on it. I'm going to switch over to the GoPro real quick and give you guys a cold start. Hopefully the quality isn't too bad, but then we'll start getting into some of the mods I have on it. Alright, so now that we got it pulled out, so yeah, I'm running the Docrace single turbo kit with the 6266 journal bearing turbo. A couple of reasons I didn't go with the ball bearing. One, I couldn't afford it. Two, being that I am an automatic transmission, the journal bearing with the later spool will actually help me a little bit in the long run with the longevity of the automatic. So definitely okay with that. But yeah, all in all, it took a little over 35 hours to do. I did install this in a garage on jack stands. I did not have a lift, which was a little bit of a pain in the ass, but it did end up working out pretty well. So yeah, going into the full mod list, obviously, like I said, Docrace, single turbo kit, precision turbo. I have the VRSF charge pipe with a Turbo Smart blow-off valve. I do have the VRSF aluminum J pipe here as well. And then going down here, we have the VRSF 7-inch intercooler, and then right up to the turbo. As far as the tune goes, I'm running a JB4 with an MHD backend flash. Since it is a twin scroll kit, I'm currently running the MHD twin scroll backend single turbo flash. Right now, I just installed the Stage 2 Black Market Parts bucketless fuel pump, so I am going to be running about 20 psi before I have to upgrade the transmission tune. Right now I'm running the Alpina transmission flash, but then I will soon be upgrading that to the XHP since it will be able to hold a little bit more power than the Alpina one. And I have my F-Series style shifter. So when I actually did the single turbo kit, I did a lot of things. So I replaced the water pump, thermostat. I'm currently running 335IS and motor mounts. So there's an upgrade there. I have the Burger Motorsports catch can. I currently only have the high side. I am going to be placing an order for the low side catch can soon, just so I can make sure I'm catching all of the oil that's going to be clogging the intake valves. And then I do have an N20 map sensor into the charge pipe currently as well, so there's an upgrade there. Only thing I haven't had to deal with so far is the high pressure fuel pump. Hopefully that doesn't go out on me anytime soon. And then I have the max solenoid to the dual wastegates for the Docrace kit. Only thing that is kind of weird on this current setup is the power steering reservoir. I didn't really have a good spot for it, so right now it's just zip tied to the coolant reservoir. If you guys have any ideas, let me know in the comments. I'd be happy to make an order for, you know, something that like a bracket that I can put that in a better spot, but that's kind of the current setup. It's a little jank, but it works. So then as far as wheels and tires go, I'm running the Apex ARC8s with Continental Extreme Contact Sports. My front wheels are 18 by 8.5 with a 38 offset, and the rears are 18 by 9.5 with a 35 offset. So I'll give you guys a nice side shot of the car right there. It did come stock with the spoiler, which at first I didn't like the spoiler, but it has grown on me since. And then I did do the LCI conversion for the tail lights. So yeah, so far the kit has run amazing. The only real issue I've had so far was the springs I put in my wastegates were a little bit too high. I did the white and the green springs, which you're supposed to target around 12, 13 psi, I believe. But since Tile underrates their springs, I'm hitting about 15 psi in wastegate pressure. So if you're not trying to go full race car like I wasn't, I would suggest doing the black Tile springs just because that'll get you a little bit better boost control. Since mine does have a little bit of a struggle hitting 17 psi, but as soon as I go to 20 psi, it does just fine. So I would definitely recommend starting off with a little bit of a lower spring, just in case you're not trying to run, you know, an extremely high psi, you know, for your map or for the highest target boost you're looking to hit. So yeah, I'm definitely looking to make a lot of content on this car. If there's anything specific you guys would like to see about it, I'd be happy to make a video regarding that topic or really anything. I'm planning on making an exhaust video as well as a wastegate video just because of how good the wastegates sound on this car. I definitely think it's one of the main reasons to buy the Docrace kit for those 2 open dump wastegates. But yeah, like I said, if you guys want to see anything specific on the car, I'd be happy to make a video on it. Especially in the now times, there's literally nothing to do. So if there's anything special you guys want to see about it, definitely leave a comment below and I'll be happy to make a video on it. So yeah, make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe, and we'll definitely be uploading more videos soon.